In this video, I'm cleaning after dark. If you want to find out what I'm cleaning, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen and welcome to the channel. Today I'm participating in a challenge being hosted by the one and only Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan. And this is Denise's Moonlight Clean With Me Winter Edition. And Denise is asking for us to tackle some cleaning in our kitchen. So the kitchen is going to be the focus of this Moonlight Clean With Me. And guys, we are cleaning after dark. The sun has gone down and the moon is up, and I am ready to get cleaning. Now, let me give you the details of Denise's challenge. Like I said earlier, she's asking for us to tackle some cleaning in our kitchen. Now, we can do several things. We can clean an appliance. We can organize our pantry. We can show our after dinner routine. Whatever you feel like you need tackling in your kitchen, go for it. All right, so now if you guys are not familiar with Denise's channel, I will put the link right down in my description box below to her channel. Go over and subscribe to Denise's channel. You will not be disappointed because she has awesome content on her channel. And there will also be a playlist for this challenge, and I'll link that below as well. So you can check out all of the videos and get some cleaning inspiration from this Moonlight Clean With Me challenge. All right, guys. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. If you're interested in lifestyle content such as cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, and occasionally a DIY. And tap that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. All right, guys. So let me just jump into what I'm going to be cleaning in my kitchen today. I've got a stainless steel refrigerator and it needs cleaning really bad. It's got a lot of fingerprints on the front. It's pretty dirty, and you know, guys, we're always opening the refrigerator, kids coming in, putting their fingerprints all on the fridge. So I need to get it cleaned up. So I'm going to be using today these stainless steel wipes called Magic Stainless Steel Wipes. And I picked these up at Ross, and this tube of wipes cost $3.49. All right, and they're stainless steel wipes by Magic. All right, so that's what I'm going to be using today to clean the front of my stainless steel refrigerator. Shouldn't take me very long. These are really good wipes to use and to get them really clean. So I'm going to take you over to the refrigerator and show you what it's looking like, the before. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, here is the front of my refrigerator. I just want to show you some close-ups so you can see that we need to get some work done on this refrigerator. So this is the before. You can see the fingerprints and the smudges all the way down here to the freezer. So I'm going to be and this is really bad right here. But anyway, I'm going to be tackling this as part of the Moonlight Clean With Me. But I just wanted to show you what we are working with, what we need to tackle. And so let's get started. Okay guys, I've got my refrigerator nice and clean. Let me take you in for a closer look. It's shining and looking good. This is the refrigerator part here. Both doors clean. Now remember guys, when you're cleaning stainless steel, you want to wipe in the direction that the grain is going. So if your grain is going vertical, you want to wipe in a vertical direction. My grain is going horizontal, so that's why I was wiping side to side. You want to always wipe in the direction that the grain is going. All right, so these are the front doors. Let me take you down to the freezer. Seems like that part was the dirtiest part. I had to use 2 wipes on that, but I've got it clean. It's shining. And it's looking pretty good. So it took some elbow grease, but I got it done. All right, so those wipes worked pretty good, and you know you can use those on all stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, whatever stainless steel appliances you have, you can use the wipes on those appliances. All right, guys? All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. I hope you got some cleaning inspiration. I want to give a special thank you to Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan. Thank you so much, Denise, for hosting this Moonlight Clean With Me challenge. I enjoyed participating and especially needed to clean the front of this refrigerator, so I got some motivation to tackle some more areas in my kitchen. All right, guys, make sure that you check out Denise's channel. The link for her channel will be down in my description box. And check out that playlist of all the participants that are taking part in this Moonlight Clean With Me. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.